Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, that's Concepts of Chemistry. Before starting today's lecture, please do subscribe my channel. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the limitations of Bohr atomic model. The very first limitation is that the Bohr atomic model was applicable only to the unielectronic systems, that is the element having only one electron. For multi-electronic system, this model failed because Bohr sir has ignored the inter-electronic repulsive forces between the electrons of a single element. So I am writing this model was applicable to only unielectronic systems, that is elements having only one electron. Let me give you the example. That's hydrogen or helium 1 positive ion or lithium dipositive ion. For multi-electronic systems, for multi-electronic systems, this model failed as Bohr sir has ignored inter-electronic repulsions. Inter-electronic repulsions between electrons of same element. So this was the first drawback. So let's talk about the second drawback. As we all know, there is a formation of spectral lines, but when these spectral lines are viewed under the high resolution, each spectral line was found to be combination of fine lines, and the fine lines indicates the presence of sub energy levels or subshells in the main shells, which Bohr sir haven't discussed. So I'm writing the second drawback. Under high resolution, each spectral line was found to be combination of fine lines, combinations of very very thin fine lines. It indicates that there is presence of sub energy levels. There is presence of sub energy levels in each main energy level. Or in simple words, you can say that there is presence of subshells in main energy shell or orbit in main energy shell or orbit, which Bohr sir haven't discussed, which Bohr sir have not discussed. So this was the second drawback of the Bohr atomic model. So now let's come to the third drawback. The spectral lines. The spectral lines splits in magnetic field and is termed as Z-man effect. And the spectral lines splits in electric field and is termed as Stark effect. Now the drawback is that Bohr sir have also not discussed about these two effects. So after that, Bohr sir ignored the particle nature of the electron. Bohr sir completely ignored particle nature of the electron. As there is two phenomena called the black body radiation and the photoelectric effect, which we are going to discuss in the next video. The Bohr sir have not discussed anything about the photoelectric effect or the black body radiation, which are based on the particle nature of electron. So Bohr sir has completely ignored the particle nature of electron. After that, Bohr model also does not explain. This model does not explain three-dimensional model of the atom. Three-dimensional model of atom, and it also does not explain this model also does not explain the shapes of the molecule. Shapes of molecules. So my dear students, these were the drawbacks or limitations of the Bohr atomic model. I hope you all understood today's lecture. If any student wants to book a paid online one-to-one class to clear their doubts, then she can contact me. My phone number is mentioned on thumbnail of this lecture. Please like, subscribe and share my channel to maximum number of students. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Stay blessed.